ilagay, coach. Tignan natin. Hindi na siya makaabala sa loob.
Hi guys. Okay. Hugs. Yan. Okay. Tapos siso. Okay, good. Ito naman, torso lang, Nox. Huwag mong galawin yung hips, okay? So para siyang limbo. Ooh. 2, 3, 4, 5. Kabila. Good. Okay. Hips naman. Ito, memorize na yan dito. Ito, optional ah. Optional na yan. Other way around? Okay. Okay. Optional din yan. Okay. Good. Okay. Point mo yung left ankle. Ikot-ikot. May tumunog. Ibig sabihin, tito, tita na. Okay, other way around. Nox. Kumusta yung ano mo? Paa mo? Sa plantar. Plantar na siya. Anything injury? Okay. Bila. Ikaw, may ganun ka? Plantar? O mukhang maganda naman yung ano arch mo. O yung arch. Si Andy kasi wala siyang arch masyado, flat. Come grab a wall. Okay. Cat, baba, leg, as far back as you can, as high up as you can. Okay? Parang sa capoeira. Cat, baba. Good. 4, 5. Other leg, other leg. Good. Okay, ito naman, hands. Back, out, forward. Okay? Okay, good. Bila din. Oops, sorry. Good. Follow me. Lunge. Forward arms. Tingin sa taas. Balik. Balik. Other leg. Sa taas. Andy. Same. 4 more. Stretch that upper back. Good. Ito. 2 more. Nice. Okay, same thing. Warrior 3. Tingin, tingin, tingin. Balik. Tingin, tingin, tingin. Balik. Yan. Very good. Don't let it go down, ha? Yan. Tandaan. Kabila. Same thing. Up. Ganda sa likod. Hanggang dito. Parang walang nangyari. Ganun. Warrior 3 sa yoga. Dapat ma-feel mo siya. Shoulder blades. Okay, 2 more. Good. Nice. Okay, good. So, para lang malaman mo, Nox, yung workout ni Andy, it's hati between grappling and striking. So there's some technique. Tapos ngayon, maglalaro tayo dahil dalawa kayo. And then there are partner drills afterwards, yung contest. Para lang masaya. And then at the end, you can join or you don't have to join. Pero may si Andy, she has conditioning, which means it's a circuit. Okay? Kung pagod ka na, huwag pilitin. Bully. Pag pagod ka na, you can sit it out at any point. Okay? But I suggest, tama si Andy, I suggest you join. Okay? Because you used to be thin, I can tell. You used to be really thin, di ba? Yeah. Nabibigatan ka ba sa sarili mo? If ever, sige. So muscle tayo. Kasi si Andy hindi ko siya pinag-go down ng weight. It's for her doctor says she needs to lose weight for the plantar. Pero for you, if we can build muscle, if you want that, we can do that. Okay? So today just feel it out muna. This workout, just feel it out. Kung okay sa'yo, hindi ka deads afterwards. Okay? But the wrestling will probably give you some hardness. Kasi mahirap siyang art. Okay? So follow me. Muna ngayon, warm up tayo. Okay? Run. Okay, high knees. Good. Ankles, touch your ankles. High knees and ankles. Good. Sidewards. Good. Talikod. Bilang side. Okay. Ikot-ikot. All right. Chill. Okay ka pa? Okay. Sunod ka na lang sa amin. Andy. Rolls. Technical get up. Balik. Okay. Basta umabot ka sa dulo. Try mo yun. Dito. Baba. Ayan. Go ka na. So tayo. Tingin ka sa likod. Nakita mo na yung wall. Sa baba. Pag nakita mo na yung wall, mag-roll ka. Okay? So, baba mo talaga yung ulo mo. Okay? Tutuloy ko ba? Ganito lang siya. Okay. Dito ka. Yan, very good. Go. Nice, Nox. Balik. 2 more. Technical get up mo, Hans, ha? Sa dulo, ha? Pwede ka pa isa pa. Ayan. Nice, Hans. Get up. Nice, Nox. Try mo yung kabilang shoulder, ha? Okay? Huwag ka puro ganito. Try mo rin to. Kabila. Exhale when you roll, Andy. Very good. Nice one, Nox. Nice. One more. Very good. Okay. Very good. Nice one, Nox. Pwede na, no? Alala niyo, oh. Nice one. Pahinga, Nox. Pahinga. 2 more for you. 2 more rounds for Andy. Okay ka na, pahinga ka na. Inom kung gusto mo. Nice, Andy. Taasan mo yung yan, taasan mo, ganyan. I had to fall from my height. Get up. Yes. Ayo. Pam. Very good. Okay, good, Hans. Inom? Inom ka. Okay. So, very good for you. So, try mo next time.